Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Mathematical Literacy Grade 10. Write the following values in word format. 1. The population of South Africa in 2020 was. The word format of the above value is 59,310,000. 2. The population of Johannesburg in 2021 was. The word format of the above value is 5,926,668. 3. Number of students at UCT in 2021 was 1,000. The word format of the above value is 28,703. 4. Two movies grossed the following income at the box office. Write down the total amount earned in dollars. The total amount earned in word format is $422 million. Read and answer the questions below. Martin earns an annual income of 1. Write down Martin's annual income in words. The word format is 420,600 Rand. 2. When you write 420,600 in your calculator, it sometimes comes out as 420,600. Explain the purpose of the comma. The purpose of the comma in 420,600 is to act as a thousand separator. This is similar to the space used in, and it helps to clearly group digits into thousands, making large numbers easier to read and understand. Importantly, it is not a decimal comma. 3. If Martin gets an increase of 8.2% next year, calculate his new annual salary. We're going to use the calculation and explanation below to calculate Martin's new salary. First, let us determine the amount of the increase. To calculate an 8.2% increase on Martin's annual salary of 420,600 rands, we use the formula. Increase in amount is equal to salary times percentage increase. Therefore, increase amount is 420,600 times 8.2 divided by 100. Hence, increase in amount is equal to 420,600 times 0.082. This is equal to 34,489 rands and 20 cents. Therefore, Martin's new annual salary, after an 8.2% increase, will be 455,089 rands and 20 cents. 4. Martin will be paying 30% of his total annual salary next year to the South African Revenue Services in income tax. 1. Convert 30% to a decimal number. To convert 30% to a decimal number, we use the following steps. Start with the percentage formula. Percentage is equal to proposed part divided by 100. Therefore, 30% is equal to 30 divided by 100. Hence 30 divided by 100 is equal to 0.3. Therefore, 30% as a decimal number is 0.3. 2. Calculate the amount of income tax he will be paying to South African Revenue Service after his annual salary increase. To calculate the amount of income tax Martin will be paying to South African Revenue Service after his annual salary increase. First, determine the tax rate. The tax rate is 30%, which can be expressed as a decimal, 0.3. Use the formula for tax calculation, which is income tax is equal to annual salary times tax rate. Substitute Martin's new salary and the tax rate. Income tax is equal to 455,089 rands and 20 cents. Times 0.3, which is equal to 136,526 rands and 70 cents. Therefore, Martin will be paying 136,526 rands and 70 cents in income tax to South African Revenue Service after his annual salary increase. 3. If he pays 30% of his income to South African Revenue Service as income tax, what percentage of his salary is left over? To calculate the percentage of Martin's salary left after paying income tax, we follow the steps below. Start with the total percentage of his salary. Martin's total salary represents 100%. Then, subtract the percentage paid as tax. 100% minus 30% is equal to 70%. This means Martin has 70% of his salary left over after paying 30% to the South African Revenue Service as income tax. 4. Calculate how much he will receive after tax deduction monthly. To calculate how much Martin will receive monthly after tax deduction, determine his annual salary after tax, subtract the tax amount from his total annual salary. After-tax salary is equal to 455,089 rands and 20 cents minus 136,526 rands and 70 cents. After-tax salary is equal to 318,562 rands and 50 cents. We then divide the annual after-tax salary by 12 to find the monthly salary. Hence, monthly salary is equal to 318,562 rands and 50 cents divided by 12 months, which equals 26,546 rands and 88 cents. Therefore, Martin will receive 26,546 rands and 88 cents monthly after-tax deductions.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.